What if I told you simple DIY videos made with AI are getting millions of views right now? I'm talking 10 million, 25 million, even 50 million views on brand new accounts. And the crazy part, most people watching these videos think they're real, but they're not. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these viral DIY cement planter videos using AI, using my exact workflow, so you can start posting today. Let's get into it. Before we start, meet Chase Brooks. This character you're seeing, he doesn't exist. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own character, your own videos, and your own viral content machine. Here's what I noticed. These videos follow a very simple pattern, satisfying process, step-by-step transformation, clean final result, and platforms love this because people watch till the end. More watch time means more reach, and more reach means more views. So instead of overcomplicating things, we're going to plug into a proven format. First step, go to Google and search for AI Centuries. Once you're on the site, go to the GPT library. Now search for DIY cement planter. You'll find it under AI Shorts. Click it and start a chat. Inside the GPT, you'll see three options: male character, female character, or use your own character. We're going to use your own reference character. Upload your character image. This will be your Chase Brooks version. Now enter simple details like location, home driveway, setup, bonsai tree, color, black planter. Hit enter, and just like that, the AI generates everything: image prompts, video prompts, and the full workflow. Now we move to Higgsfield. This is where we generate images. First image, copy image prompt 1 and paste it into GPT image. Upload your character, important, replace image 1 with @image1. Now use these settings: quality, high, resolution, 2K, aspect ratio, 9:16, generate. Now you have your first scene. Repeat the process. For the next images, use the previous image as reference, paste the next prompt, tag it properly, and keep repeating. Now go to CDance 2.0, upload all your images for each clip, paste the video prompt, set the start frame. Optionally, set the end frame. Use these settings: duration 4 to 6 seconds, aspect ratio 9:16, resolution 1080p. Important trick: for motion scenes, use both start and end frames. This makes the animation feel realistic. Now open Adobe Premiere Pro. Arrange your clips in order. Keep the total video length between 15 to 25 seconds. Why? Because short videos go viral. Add smooth cuts, light sound effects, and background music, and you're done. Just like that, you've created a viral style AI video without filming anything. Now imagine posting this every day. That's how you build views, that's how you build reach, that's how you grow. If you want more content like this, like the video, comment your niche, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Chase Profit. I'll see you in the next one.